Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, and today we're going to check out our #1 selling side-by-side helmet, the Bell Qualifier Forced Air. Bell, of course, is a name you can trust. They've been in the automotive and power sports helmet world for a long time. This helmet is built on top of the Qualifier platform, which is their #1 selling full-face street helmet. This, of course, is the Qualifier Forced Air, which means you're getting air forced into the top of the helmet, and this is compatible with any onboard fresh air system. We'll get into more of that in a second. The helmet's $179, which is a killer deal considering it's DOT, ECE certified, polycarbonate shell weighing less than 4 pounds with 3 shell sizes. The shell size breakdown is extra small, medium large, and then a third shell for extra large all the way through XXX. So they really are covering all sizes here. It comes with, of course, the ram air induction that plugs into your fresh air system, a UV and anti-fog shield. Their anti-fog works great. It's a clear shield out of the box, but you can buy whatever shield you want that fits a Qualifier helmet. They have smoke, iridium. I really like their transition visor, which you get included with the Dlx Qualifier, which is a step up from this. But at $179, you can't complain there. And this on top here is their forced air induction system. This nozzle is universal fit for any onboard fresh air pumper. It's going to put fresh air into your helmet, keeping dust and debris out of your face and eyes so that you can breathe and see while you're driving. It also keeps you cool. On the back here, we have exhaust ports to get some of that hot air out, and all that dust and debris is going to blow down into your neck skirt, which is also keeping the elements out of the bottom of the helmet. So that is what side-by-side or forced air helmets are all about, to keep all that junk kicking up into your face. The visor has a quick release mechanism. This is the same mechanism they have on all their Qualifier helmets. It works really nice, spring loaded, comes on and off easy. Down on the front here, we have your typical chin bar vent, which is pretty easy to work with gloves on. We like that. Let's flip this over and look at the collar that I was talking about. This comes in the box again. It zips off, so it's nice and easy to get into and out of. This zips up the front here, and you put your head in through there. It's a Velcro system. We'll take this off so we can show you the removable washable liner inside of this helmet. Again, 3 shell sizes with traditional D-ring closure here and chin strap retainer. So all these cheek pads come out. You can throw them in I usually wash mine in the sink instead of the washing machine. Tends to be a little easier on paddings. And so these pop right out. The Qualifier Forced Air is also communication system ready. It has a speaker port back in the EPS there. Let's get in. Yeah, there you go. You can see that. It's ready to plug in speakers and hang a computer off the side of this thing, or maybe plug in to one of your onboard communication systems. You could run a wire inside of there. If you want a helmet that is ready to accept the computer itself, look at the Qualifier Dlx. It's the next step up from this, and it has a port for the computer to hard mount inside here and be flush. Again, DOT, ECE certified, and inside of here we have channeled styrofoam EPS liner. The Bell Qualifier fits true to size. I've tested this. This helmet, I wear an XL and pretty much everything. This thing fits just like an XL should. Intermediate oval fit. And remember about the addicted fit guarantee. If you buy your Bell Qualifier from Speed Addicts and it doesn't fit perfect out of the box, we'll get you the right set of cheek pads or headliners to fit yours to your head, or even get you a free exchange if you need a different shell size. So head on over to speedaddicts.com and pick up your Bell Qualifier Forced Air today. Thanks for watching, everybody, and ride safe.